Let's be honest, there's nothing quite as annoying as a smoke alarm going off when there's no smoke in sight. But hey, don't rip it off the ceiling just yet. They're meant to wake you up fast if there's a fire, so false alarms can be more than just a nuisance. They might make you ignore the real thing. But first, let's clear up something simple. Smoke alarms make two sounds. There's the full-blown wake up now alarm, yeah, the one that makes your heart jump. And then there's that soft, annoying chirp every 30 seconds or so. If you're dealing with the chirp, that's usually a battery or end-of-life warning. I'll link a video about that below. This video is all about the big ear-splitting alarm when there's no smoke around. Okay, real quick, how do smoke alarms actually work? Inside, there's a detection chamber. Think of it like a tiny laser grid from a heist movie. When smoke particles break that grid, the alarm goes off. But here's the catch. Other stuff can mess with that signal too. Let's break down the three most common culprits. First up, dust. Dust gets everywhere. And yes, it'll sneak inside your smoke alarm too. When it builds up in the detection chamber, you get false alarms. Here's what I do. Take the alarm down, give it a few firm taps, vacuum the outside edges, and if you've got compressed air, blast it out. If you're renovating or installing new alarms, cover them up or take them down. Gyproc dust is a nightmare for these things. And don't put your alarm right next to an air vent or AC, or you're basically inviting dust in. Next, insects. Yep, bugs, especially spiders, love hiding in smoke alarms. Even though there's mesh inside, tiny bugs can still slip through. Spiders build webs, and their little babies can trip the alarm. Don't spray bug killer inside your smoke alarm. It'll actually set it off. Instead, take the alarm down, spray around the outside, and if you've got gaps in your ceiling or wiring, ask your electrician to seal them up. Finally, humidity and moisture. This one's sneaky because you can't see it. Bathrooms, laundries, and kitchens, all super humid. When moisture gets inside the alarm, it throws everything off. If you can, don't install alarms in those spots. Use exhaust fans, open a window, and let that humid air out when you can. Even lots of indoor plants or drying clothes can bump up the moisture in the air. So, if your smoke alarm keeps going off for no reason, check for dust, bugs, or moisture before you lose your cool. Clean it, keep it dry, and make sure it's in the right spot. That way, you can trust it'll only go off when it really matters. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to like and subscribe.